Oh, okay. My job is done. Let's go home. Oh man, what's wrong with my bike? It can't start. Nothing at all.
What's wrong with that guy? Brother, are you okay, brother? What's wrong?
Yes, I'm okay. But my bike won't start. I don't know why.
Oh, is there any problem with your starter?
Maybe. But I think I should check on the battery first. But I don't have any tools.
Oh, you want me to help you? There's a workshop nearby.
Really? Where is it?
Wait, I show you. This is. There's a high-road workshop.
Oh, okay. Can we go now?
Yes. Okay, brother, let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, we are here.
Okay, thank you, brother.
Welcome.
Thank you very much. Whew. Good thing someone really helped me out. I'm very struggle right now. Boss, my bike can start. Can you check?
Yeah, sure. Yes, bro. What's the problem?
So I just come back from the mosque. Then when I try to start my bike, it wouldn't start.
Nothing at all.
Yes.
Hmm. It could be a starter motor or the battery. Let me check first.
Okay, sure. Okay, boss. So what's the problem?
Okay, I think the problem is not from your battery because your battery voltage is still normal, still in good condition. So I think it's not from battery.
So what's the real problem?
I think it's from the starter.
From the starter.
Yes, the starter. Your problem seems just like that, but let me show you.
Oh, the problem same just like my bike.
Yes, so
It won't start.
I will show you how to fix it.
Okay.
Let's go.
Oh, just like that.
Yes. Start with your bike, okay?
Okay.
Okay, bro. Try start it now.
Oh, wow. So the starter still can use or not?
Okay, your starter is already in a bad condition, so you have to replace it as soon as possible. So you wanna replace it now?
Not now lah. I don't have money right now.
Okay, sure, no problem. Okay, bro. Safe drive.
Thank you, boss. Oh, boss, I forgot. How about the payment?
No need. Small matter.
Really?
Yes. If there any problem, just came to High Road Workshop.